Hello, this is a demonstration on how we integrate our content with drip integration. We use the content from the lead quizzes to save our leads from lead quizzes to drip. So, for example, here we have the content here I have created. We have a form field which has first name, last name, email address, and phone number. I also added a question that is mapped to the tags, to the result here. And then after that, you have to go to Configure tab, Native Integration, Add Integration, and then select Ship. So here, what is the required field we have is email. But for this example, I will be also mapping the first name, last name, and the phone number. After that, you can proceed to the tags section here. It's not required, but for this example, we will be mapping the result. So here I have a tag for the result 1. I also have a tag for result 2. And click save. And then we have to publish this content, and we will be taking this content to make sure that our leads are saving in the drip integration. So here I have an example. And then I will select result 1. And it's map on result 1 result. Now we will be checking our drip if the lead was saved on the drip. So here on people and active tab, you can see here the newly created lead for contact. So it has a correct first name, last name, email, and phone number. It also has the correct result here. So we can also use LeadQuizzes contents to update our lead, lead data. So for example, the same user took a different content, but the user updated its data. So for example, I will be using the same contact, but I will be updating the name. I will also update the phone number. And then I will select a different result here so we can see a different tag. I will be updating this, and then you will see the updated first name, last name, and the updated phone number. Also, the second tag result was also applied to the tags.